Hey Daniel, have you reviewed the new sign-off protocol for discharge medications? There are a few nuances that might trip people up.
I glanced through it, Mihira, but it seemed straightforward, just confirming the patient's details and verifying prescriptions, right?
Well, not exactly. The key change is that we now need two separate verifications, one for dosage accuracy and another for potential drug interactions. Previously, we only flagged interactions if the patient was on multiple medications, but now it's mandatory for all cases, even single drug prescriptions.
That's a shift. What if the system doesn't flag an interaction automatically?
Then we manually cross-check with the updated database, not the old one. That's where mistakes happen. Last month, a colleague relied on the outdated system and missed a critical beta blocker interaction.
Got it, Mihira. And what about high-risk patients? Any extra steps?
Yes, they require a third sign-off from the senior pharmacist, but only if their condition is unstable. Stable chronic cases follow the standard process.
MIHIRAA, it is completely natural to feel a bit overwhelmed as you begin this journey, but mastering breastfeeding techniques is one of the most valuable steps you can take for both your well-being and your baby's growth. By focusing on a proper latch and positioning now, you are actively preventing nipple damage and skin irritation, which ensures the experience remains a bonding moment rather than a source of physical stress. When your baby is positioned correctly, it facilitates effective milk transfer, allowing them to receive the vital nourishment they need to thrive while helping your body maintain a steady supply. This harmony in feeding promotes deep comfort for you, reducing muscle strain and allowing you to truly relax during these quiet sessions. MIHIRAA, as you move forward, please remember that your comfort is a priority. It is essential that you communicate any changes in pain levels or any new concerns that arise, no matter how small they may seem. Your health and confidence are the foundation of your baby's care, and addressing issues early ensures a smoother, more joyful breastfeeding experience for you both.